Bumped into each other. How it was formed, it's a long story actually.
Shushmit and I started, in fact, the band. At that time we were playing together just as a duo.
Me and Oshim, we met sometime around 83 or so, and we liked what each one of us did, and therefore we started jamming together.
Indian Ocean played a show along with my rock band in a college in Delhi, and after about 2 months I get a call suddenly saying, do you want to join us as a drummer?
In 1990, that's when I met Shushmit, who used to be in school with me. And he said he has a band. And I didn't believe it because he never used to play guitar when I used to know him. So I just blew him off. I used to take my guitar and go to Shushmit's house and just work out some compositions that they had already played. So I was working out the bass lines. And that's how I joined.
I think what Indian Ocean music has come out to be is an amalgamation of sorts. It's a true fusion according to me. Music for us is more a part of life. I mean, inspiration is more coming in from living your day-to-day life than just, trying to listen to somebody's music.
Defining Indian Ocean would be slightly difficult for me. I think it is, you can call it instinctive, spontaneous music. Whatever music we do, these ideas actually come out of the blue. If you listen to our music, you will find that we don't stick to a particular format. The songs tend to go more than 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes.
It has a very strong Indian feel to it, right? Because I think the root of our music is a lot of Indian folk and classical.
The best way I can explain it is it's a free expression of modern urban India.
Open strings.
To be very frank, there is no theme.
Lyrically, most of it is pretty much Sufi based.
Bhor is a very nice song. It's a beautiful melody that has come out.
Some element of spiritualism is there.
It is a song about the flight of a bird. None of the songs have anything which we actually thought before and then weave the song.
Not consciously maybe.
Oh, there's no favorite track.
Every song has a different sort of quality to it.
It's like each composition is your child. So you can't possibly say that I love this better than the other.
Yes, Indian Ocean it has been a fairly fluid format through and through, and I think it will continue to be so. We'll keep experimenting with new sounds.
We will use vocal cord maybe in a different way. We have started scatting, we have used alaps, we have used songs. I think in different ways we can use vocal.
People love what we are doing. We don't need to sit there and think, oh, now we need an African sound, or now we need a South American. We don't do that. If we get some rhythms that excite us,
La 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 la.
they will automatically come into our music, because I think our music is influenced by everything we hear. Go around the world playing, just enjoy yourself. I think there's no like big game plan in mind.
I might once in a while experiment with different kinds of sounds through the electric, but I still remain an acoustic guitar player. Trying for something new that we have not done earlier is a constant process.
Yes, the immediate interaction that we get from the audience, sometimes they hate it, and most of the time they love it, and thus we love them.
And I think this life is our guru. Like we have been listening to a lot of different kinds of music, a lot of different kinds of people. Your personality is your guru.
In future, maybe we will be jamming and doing projects with other musicians too. 1 minute, that's a lovely bird.
भोर 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 भई एक उड़ता पंछी भोर 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 भई एक उड़ता पंछी जा बैठा एक डाल जा बैठा एक डाल जा बैठा एक डाल जा बैठा एक डाल भोर 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 भई एक उड़ता पंछी भोर 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 भई एक उड़ता पंछी